First, you would have to fold your fabric into two, like so. Alright, so once you're done, just go ahead and arrange your fabric properly. Okay, arrange it properly, and next you would have to take all your vertical measurements. So what I'm doing right here now is to take the length of the skirt, which is 22 inches, and I'm going ahead to take 2 extra inches. That's for sewing allowance. Then I'll rule a line at that point. That's at the sewing allowance. Okay, the next vertical measurement I'm going to take is my waist to hip. Alright, and that's 10 inches. Okay, I'll also rule a line there at that point at the 10 inches. That's the waist to the hip. Okay, and next I would have to start imputing all my horizontal measurements. Okay, that starting line there is where I'll be taking my waist measurement. Alright, and the waist measurement I'm working with is 28 divided by 4, that's 7, plus 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. So at the hip line, I would also take the hip measurement, which is 38 divided by 4 is 9.5, plus 1.5 sewing allowance. Okay, so now I would measure all I have there. What I got there was 11. Alright, so I'll come at the hemming line, that's that point, and take 10 inches. Okay, so what I actually did was to minus 1 inch from what I had on the hip line. Okay, so I'm just going ahead to connect all the lines. Alright, using my curved rule. And this is me just confirming all my spots again, just to be sure. And yes, the next is to cut out. Alright, following all the lines. Okay, so if you notice, I didn't cut exactly on the lines. Yes, I do that a lot. I don't like cutting on the line. Okay, I like to cut just quarter inch out away from the actual lines. Now, for the back of the skirt, you fold your fabric you did earlier. So you come in by 1 inch from that point all the way down. Alright, just as you see me doing here. Okay, so I'll just connect the lines. Alright, just as you see me doing here. So the next thing you will do is to get the front piece that you've already cut out and place it on the 1 inch that you marked out. Alright, just as you see me doing here. Okay, is very simple. Okay, you place the front piece on the 1 inch and then you follow the pattern of the front piece and cut out. It's that simple. So once you're done cutting out, alright, you will go ahead and make a notch at the that zip allowance area. Okay, so you slit the back, of course, and then once you get the hip area, alright, just half inch above the hip, you make a curve and cut out. The essence is to help your zipper sit very well at the back. And next is to cut your waistband. Alright, your waistband. Okay, so the waist I'm working with is waist 28, right? So you're going to fold your fabric just as you see me doing so. Alright, measure out your 28, that's on 14 inches plus 3 inches allowance. Okay, just as you see me doing here. Alright, plus 3 inches allowance. Okay, that's vertically. Alright, and horizontally you would measure 4.5 inches. Okay, all the way down. All right, so on fold you would have 2.5 inches. So when you attach it to your skirt, it will become 2 inches. Okay, it's very simple. So once you're done with all of that, just go ahead and cut out. Okay, cut out your waistband. Just cut it out, and I would also cut out this other part, all right, because it wasn't part of the measurements I took. Okay, I've also gone ahead to place the fabrics on my lining, and I've cut out. And make sure your lining pieces are 2 inches shorter than the actual fabric. And here is our waistband. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and share.